Now no load test. We have focus on no load test. Okay, and also we have focus, after that we have focus on block rotor test in induction machine. Okay, now at no load test, at no load test, or you can say that at no load, TL is equal to 0. What about T? 0, like this one. If you want to make, that is T, and that is torque speed characteristic, like this one. If T is 0, that is slip. NR this equal to NS. In this condition, what about slip? That is 0. This is 1. So NR this equal to NS, and what about slip? It is 0. Clear? Okay. Now in this condition, it means soft is free running. You can say that motor are free running. Clear? In this condition, circuit, equivalent circuit refer to, first of all, equivalent circuit refer to stator side for approximate circuit, approximate equivalent circuit of induction motor, per phase equivalent circuit of the motor refer to stator side, make like this one. This one is core loss component, that is magnetizing component, that is Ri, that is Xm, and this one is R1 plus R2 dash. R1 is stator resistance, R2 dash is the rotor resistance, refer to stator side, and leakage reactance X1 plus X2 dash stator side, and that is rotor, refer to stator side, that is rotor leakage reluctance, and this one is stator leakage reluctance, and this one X2 dash is the rotor leakage reluctance. Okay, this one, and that is R2 dash into 1 by S minus 1. Clear? So, and what about this one is I2 dash, and that is I0, and that is I1, supply current, apply voltage V0, like this one. Okay. Now in this condition, if S is 0, it means R2 dash minus 1 by 0 minus 1, this equal to infinity. It is behave as a open circuit. If this is open circuit, what about I2 dash is 0? So you can say that R2 dash 1 by S minus 1, this be equal to infinity, at slip this be equal to 0. Okay, that infinity. Clear? It means I2 dash this be equal to 0, and I1 in supply current this be equal to no load current. Clear? That is called open circuit test. That is also called open circuit test. Clear? That is open circuit test. So no load test also known as, also called, no load test is also called open circuit test. Clear? Why it is called open circuit test? No load test is also called open circuit test. Clear? It means if I2 is 0, or you can say that if this is open circuit, it means it's behave just like this one. Circuit make like this one. Finally, if you want to circuit, it is represent like this one. Clear? Now, okay. At no load, you can say that to determine no load loss, or no load losses, that is NL. This NL, this no load loss, this equal to iron loss plus friction and windage loss. Why? I know that in this condition at no load, iron loss with no load loss, this is equal to iron loss plus friction. And why friction and windage loss present here? Because of soft is running freely, motor running freely, that's why friction and windage loss are present here. Okay. Now, and iron loss, you know that is Pi, or this is equal to V square by Ri. It is depend upon voltage, and friction and windage loss, that is constant. Okay, sometimes it depend upon speed. In both loss does not depend upon current, load current, or you can say that I2 dash. Okay, so it is clear no load loss depend upon voltage and some constant, that is friction and windage loss. Clear? Now next one, what about Pi? Pi, actually you can say that written as Pi is depends upon apply voltage so that is perform at rated voltage. Clear? So you can say that Pi is this equal to V naught square divided by Ri. Clear? Now how to determine no load power with the help of 2 wattmeter method? What is the 2 wattmeter method? I know that. Suppose that stator connected to star like this one, and 2 wattmeter, that is like one more wattmeter connected like this one, here connected ammeter, and this one is connected voltmeter, Y ammeter here connected, Y voltmeter here connected. We have already discussed in instrumentation measurement, that's why. Okay, now like this one, and here three phase supply, rated voltage corresponding V naught and frequency f. Okay, and this wattmeter is the W1, and this wattmeter known as W2, and this one is a stator. If stator side are delta connected, then you make corresponding to delta. Clear? And rotor symbol, that is like this one, that is rotor. Okay, that is rotor. Clear? I know that with the help of 2 wattmeter method we have determined at no load condition, we have determined no load power. No load power means PNL. This is equal to iron loss and friction and windage loss. Clear? Windage losses. Clear? With the help of 2 wattmeter method in no load condition, we have determined no load power. No load power means no load loss means iron loss plus friction and windage loss. If you want to iron loss, then you determine friction and windage loss, or you can say that separate friction and windage loss and iron loss in no load loss. Okay, or you another word you can say that if you determine any method friction and windage loss, then you have determined iron loss, because of I know that no load loss. With the help of this determine, if you got friction and windage loss, then finally determine iron loss. Why iron loss is most important for our first question is rise, why iron loss is more important? Why? I know that our motto determine circuit parameter Ri and Xm. Okay, first of all make it, after that we have makes. We got reading V naught, that is rated voltage, clear, and I naught, that is no load current, no load current, and we got no load loss, no load losses. This be equal to Pi plus friction and windage loss. Clear? But our motto, determine Ri and Xm. Our motto, we are focused on Ri and Xm. So if any method we have determined friction and windage loss, or you can say that separate two losses, Pi and friction and windage loss, then if you determine Pi, if you got Pi, then Pi is equal to V square divided by Ri. So finally we got Ri, and with the help Ri we got Gi. These two are parallel, so Z naught this be equal to Ri parallel to Jxm. So 1 by Z naught this be equal to 1 by Ri minus 1 upon Jxm, that is Gi minus J into Bm. Okay, that is Y naught, that is Gi minus J Bm. Okay, our motto, determine Bm, so V naught square minus Ji. How to determine Y naught? Y naught is equal to I naught upon V naught. With the help of these three, if got Pi for any method, then Pi is equal to V naught. Pi means iron loss, V naught square by Ri, like this one. And with the help of Gi, I know that Gi is equal to 1 by Ri, and this one is this equal to this one. With the help of this method, determine Y naught and Bm. Our motto, Ri and Xm. Ri log the get Ri get with the help of this, and Bm like this one. I know that Xm this be equal to 1 by Bm. So finally we got Ri and Xm. Our motto is clear, but very important method very important, how to determine iron loss and friction and windage loss. First question is rise. Now to separate iron loss and friction and windage loss, next heading, Xm is written as 1 by Bm. Clear? Now to separate iron loss and friction and windage loss. Okay, friction and windage loss. Clear? How to separate? That is also called retardation test. Retardation test means no load, that is also called, you can say that no load test performed at reduced voltage. Retardation means it is opposite to the acceleration, means corresponding to voltage. If voltage are reducing, in this method we have reduced the voltage, you can say that. Okay, now let us consider, I know that suppose that is voltage, apply voltage, and this one is no load. No load loss we got with the help of 2 wattmeter method, that is iron loss plus friction and Bindle loss. Clear? Friction and Bindle's losses. Suppose that if voltage, rated voltage, at rated voltage 415 volt, what about losses? Suppose that 320 watt. Clear? If voltage are reducing like 380 volt, that is 300 watt, that is 300. If voltage again reducing, suppose that like this one, if the 250 volt, suppose that 230 volt, 30 watt, suppose that that is 200 volt and that is 190 watt, suppose that 100 volt is got 80 watt, sorry 120 watt, like this one. Clear? Suppose that that is 90 watt. Clear? If suppose that 50 volt we got 40 watt, and suppose that 0 volt this is 30 watt. Clear? With the help of experiment, so like this one, theoretically, if voltage are reducing, normally you can say that because of Pi is depend upon the voltage. I know that Pi is this equal to V naught square divided by Ri. If V naught change, so Pi change, so no load loss also reduce, or also you can say it change. If voltage are reducing, then we got losses are also reducing. If voltage are zero, means iron loss is absent. Iron loss is absent, it means no load power, or you can say that wattmeter read which power? Friction and Bindle loss. Or you can say that wattmeter read which no load loss corresponding to friction and Bindle loss, because of iron loss is not present here. Why? Because of no voltage. And no voltage means that is 0 voltage. It means this loss is friction and Bindle loss. Okay, this loss is you can say that friction and Bindle loss. Clear? Before 0 voltage, all losses are present, friction and Bindle loss plus iron loss. Clear? So first of all make the circuit. But what about practically? So maybe 50 volt, after 50 volt motor is not running. If motor is not running, it means you cannot find out the reading of the wattmeter. Clear? Practically, theoretically it is done like this one, but practically suppose that at 50 volt apply, if voltage are reducing corresponding to 50 volt, then wattmeter does not read any value. Why? Because of motor is not running. Okay, this is minimum voltage. Okay, now written as at V tends to 0, applied the reading of wattmeter indicate only friction and Bindle's losses. Okay, but practically motor cannot rotate below a particular minimum voltage. voltage. Okay, clear what I am saying? So if you make circuit, if you make the graph corresponding to this that is no load, P no load, and this one voltage like this one. Suppose that graph like this one, rated voltage corresponding to rated voltage, V rated, and V minimum like this one. Clear? Corresponding to this value, practically make like this one. Suppose that some practically graph like this one, practically we got like this one graph. Okay, but if you make with the help of extrapolation, extrapolation means if this one is called extrapolated, this is extrapolated. Okay, means you make, okay, if run like this one, if motor run like this one, then this graph make like this one. It means corresponding to this one, this is called friction and windage losses, and this one is iron loss. This total loss, iron loss plus friction and windage loss, it is called no load loss at zero voltage. V this equal to zero voltage. This is friction and windage loss, so make like this one. Clear? This extrapolated graph, this extrapolation, with the help of extrapolation, we got friction and windage loss. Clear? So if you want to Pi, then with the help of extrapolation graph, extrapolated graph, friction and windage loss minus of no load loss, we got Pi. Clear? So you can say that if the graph extrapolated, the intersection at 0 volt gives friction and windage losses. It is clear how to get friction and windage losses with the help of retardation test. With the help of retardation test, we have separate friction and windage loss from no load loss. Clear? We got Pi. After we got Pi, then determine circuit parameter like this one. Clear? Sometime in question, theoretically on UPSC or IES or most of the question, rated voltage, no load current, and this loss is given like this one. But if in question friction or windage loss not given, then this no load loss is equal to Pi. If in question, according numerical problem, if friction and windage loss is given, then no load loss minus friction and windage loss, we got Pi. Then determine this one. Okay, it is not this equal to no load loss. Always Pi this equal to V naught square by Ri. V naught is the rated voltage. Okay, so finally first of all make it